Hi friends, welcome to Tech is Buddy. Today we will see how to check if a specific cron job is running on Ubuntu or Linux. Let's connect to the Ubuntu instance from PuTTY. Use the crontab -e command for checking what are the cron jobs are scheduled in crontab. Here we can see that a cron job is scheduled every 5 minutes. Now we need to check if this cron job is running every 5 minutes. Use the grep command to search for it in the system log folder. Now you can see that the clear cache file is running every 5 minutes. So this cron job is running well. As such, you can check if any cron job is running in system log. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more technical videos.